They say you can live in your car, but you can't drive your house. So today we are gonna put that to the test. I'm gonna attempt to live in my car for the next 24 hours. Let's go ahead. I have all the stuff that I think I need. This empty bottle is, I just wish it wasn't clear. I have my pillow, jacket, camera, my backpack, because I wanna attempt to work in the car as well. So let's go ahead and start this challenge. So this is probably gonna be a tough 24 hours. This is the last time I'm stepping out of my car. It's gonna be the last time I'm standing for the next 24 hours. This is gonna be super interesting.
Like, one question, what if you really have to go?
Go...
Like, go to do your business.
I have my laptop with me. I mean, I can do
like
business.
The business, the other business.
The serious one.
Yeah, the
Oh!
icon.
Remember the bottle in the beginning of the video?
What about the other business?
Oh, we're just hoping to God that doesn't happen. Yeah, so we should limit the drinking. We should think about all of that. We are gonna start the timer as soon as I step in the car, and we are gonna try to do everything that I would do in a normal day. I mean, as normal as it could get.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe. This is probably gonna be the stupidest thing I've ever done. So it begins. So we've already done 1 minute 45 seconds in the car, and these guys are already mocking me. Like, guys.
I think today is a good day to go for a run, isn't it?
Yes, let's go.
Bye. All right, so we're gonna go and eat right now. We're gonna have my favorite food in the world, which is
Texas chicken. Whoa, 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 where are you going? Where are you going? Get back in there.
Oh, I can't even eat.
No, you're spending 24 hours in the car. We can get out to go eat. You just have to sit here and enjoy. Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you later. Texas chicken. So what do you want to eat?
Since I'm on diet, so I will have only one sandwich. It's so good. It's his favorite though.
And fries?
Oh my god, the fries. It's so good.
So they are probably ordering food right now, and I'm here behind the traffic light.
No wonder why AJ said that he likes Texas chicken, because the food here is amazing. But I wonder how he's doing there.
We have already reached McDonald's, so they have already ordered. They're probably eating right now, and I just got here.
Look, I spilled all over my jeans.
Can I get a double cheeseburger? Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, hi.
The food was amazing.
The food was so good.
Come on, you just ate like...
McDonald's fries are better.
Those fries are mine. You just ate my favorite food. Now you're eating my fries?
Yes.
Why are you eating like that?
Because I don't want to get food in the car. This tastes like cardboard. This is gonna spill in the car. Please. No! No!
Have some fries.
Why am I even eating like this? This car is already ruined. Come on, Kimian, you didn't have to do that. One of them went in under my seat. How am I gonna get it out without getting out of the car?
Going to car wash.
1 hour 37 minutes in the video, and one of our tasks today is that we have to shoot some content for my business, which is the Subaru dealership. So the car following us right now is a Subaru XV. We are gonna go and shoot some content with it. These guys are about to go ahead and do a photo shoot from that car over there. It feels super good to be in the car right now and not be able to get out, which means I have no responsibility in this, and they are gonna be the ones who suffer. Who's eating chicken now, huh? Can you take a photo of me? Hey!
Hello, my friend.
Hello.
How are you?
We are at the 2-hour 30-minute mark. We are 10% of the way in, and I've never been so bored in my life. I just had to sit here for 30 minutes. These guys had a shoot to do, and I've just been here sitting, scrolling YouTube shorts, subscribing to my own channel over and over again.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Hello. Isn't it awkward?
This is fun! This is fun! Amazing! We are at the 3rd hour mark. It's 5 p.m. right now. We are running out of things to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my car because my car is filthy inside and out. It's gonna be fun because I can't get out of the car, so they're gonna have to deal with it. By the way, whoa, whoa, oh my God.
Oh my God.
Bro, I feel like I've seen that car before.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone has seen that car before.
Yeah.
You get me, struggle?
I enjoy
Yeah.
it.
Gonna have my car washed without me getting out of the car. I guess that's what this channel has come to. So much fluids, oh my God. Why do they even sell such thing? Drinking's been an issue today. I've been so thirsty. And by the way, if you haven't, make sure to click the first link down below in the description and get yourselves a B2B. Oh my God, it's happening. Is this how girls feel like? So I don't know what I'm gonna do at night, because if it's feeling this hot in the car right now, I can't imagine what it's gonna feel like at night. So let's hope for the best. We are at 3 hours 23 minutes right now, so we have 20 hours and a half to go. So I feel like we are making good progress here. This is great. Yeah, sorry. It's fine. Now I've got to drop Kimia off to her friend's house because she's bored and her back hurts. My back is already hurting. We are 4 hours and 40 minutes in the challenge. This means that we only have less than 20 hours to go. So this is, we are making really good progress. Energy levels going down, but it's good, it's all good. We are gonna go ahead and finish this challenge. I'm positive. We are waiting for Kimia's friend because we got here early, because we literally have nothing else to do. So we're gonna play some COD Mobile. I brought my iPad. All right, so we are 6 hours and 15 minutes in. It's 8:20 p.m. I'm so tired. Honestly, I just want to go home. Now, very uncomfortable seat in this uncomfortable position. I'm just, oh. You can just see that my energy is not what it was like 8 hours ago. Everything is okay. Sherry is right here. We're gonna go grab some food because I'm super hungry.
Give me the kebab.
You want some Arabic shawarma in your mouth?
Yeah.
Bro, I'll have a large, cheesy beef shawarma.
Hello, hi
Hello.
guys, make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
I got your beef cheese long shawarma.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
The time has come for me to leave you. It's gonna be a long night for you, my friend. Oh, you have a toilet paper? Nice.
Yeah.
It's right here.
Bye. Bring me some cookies.
Okay. Hi. Look at my bag. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, you brought everything.
Yes.
Nice. You wanna sleep here tonight too?
Yes. Of course.
That's so nice.
I don't leave you alone.
You smell so good. I smell disgusting. 9 hours and 22 minutes. God knows how long to go. Like what, 14 and a half? Oh, 9 hours, 48 minutes in, and we got a drivetrain. This wouldn't be an AJ Drives video if it did not include a drivetrain. We are going up Genting Highlands right now. If you don't know where that is, it's one of the best canyon drives in Malaysia. If you ever visit Malaysia, this is the place to go to. I know it looks like I'm struggling and it's hard and everything, which it is, don't get me wrong. It's such a blessing, to be honest, for me to even like be in this situation to do this. 5 years ago, I could never even think about like even owning a BMW or doing any of this. I just wanted to say that wherever you are in life, whether you've achieved a lot of your goals, keep going, achieve more goals, and whether if you haven't achieved your goals and you have big dreams like I do, push harder, like go as fast as you can, and never ever give up, because if we don't work towards our goals, then what are we even doing? Good morning. 7:52 a.m. 17 hours and 47 minutes in. Sleeping in this weather was one of the best ideas I've ever had. Even though everything hurts, even though the sleeping situation wasn't ideal, really good. We had all 4 windows pulled down just slightly. How do you feel?
Hi, good morning.
Hi.
I feel cold.
Well, how uncomfortable was your experience?
Out of 10, 4.
Brought my iPad and downloaded movies and everything for us to watch last night. And I went to sleep and I passed out.
Let's go get some coffee.
Yeah, let's go get some coffee.
They said they can only sell the coffee to the person who's gonna drink it, so.
So that's yours. It says AJ here. That's nice. Thank you. Subscribe. That's hot. Alright, let's go back.
Yes.
I have 3 hours and 41 minutes to go, and I'm so excited for this challenge to finish. I really need to stretch my legs. Just had my coffee and we got back. We completely abandoned the rule of not eating in the car after the incident yesterday where Kimia just dropped fries all over the car. If you stuck with me so far, hit the subscribe button down below and let's continue the challenge. Only 3 hours and 40 minutes to go. I gotta do one last thing, which is to fill up the car. We've driven for 278 kilometers and I need gas. I really hope one of these guys would come here and help me, because they don't look like they're giving me any attention.
They wanna fill up that.
Yeah, they want to fill up the Lambo and the Porsche that just passed. So, 95? 95 can? This was easier than I thought. I thought this would be challenging. Should we try 48 hours next? Thank you. No. Thank you.
All right, it's almost 24 hours. I'm going to check up on AJ. How is he feeling? Hey, how you doing, man? Hey. So it's almost 24 hours. How do you feel? Are you hyped up or what?
Great.
Yes.
This is amazing.
Nice energy. Let's take a look at your bedroom here. Woo. Oh wow. Nice bedroom setup right here.
Honestly, it was a great experience. Like, I'm not even kidding.
Really?
I loved it. Yes. Bro, you sure this is okay?
It's over.
It's over.
Yeah.
Floor is not lava anymore?
Yep.
Okay.
Stretch it out, baby. Stretch it out. Hell yeah.
Oh, this feel a little dizzy right now. This was a crazy challenge. Subscribe for more crazier challenges. Let me know what you want to see down below.